Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm so excited to show you the three applications that will keep you covered better than Netflix, better than Kodi. These three apps are going to unlock so much content, and in my opinion, those are really the only apps you need for live television, for free movies and TV shows in high definition, pay-per-view events and all, anime, all the content you could ever wish for. Okay? So if you install these three apps, which I think are totally awesome and probably the best apps, not only that, but you're also going to get full access to my unlinked store where you can get many other applications. So not only are you going to get these three apps that I'm going to show you right now, but you're going to get access to many other applications, over 60. You're going to fully load your Fire Stick if you wish to. But I just want to show you these three apps. They work amazingly well and they unlock complete content on your Fire Stick. So if your Fire Stick like this and you have a screen like this, and you're already logged into your email account and connected to the internet, the first thing we have to do is we have to go to settings. And once we're in settings, go to My Fire TV or My Device and click on that. Okay. And you'll be presented when you first go in here to a screen like this, My Fire TV or My Device. And you can see I have developer options. You may not have developer options, which is completely fine. Just click on the About button and you'll see your device name. What you want to do is click on the device name 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how it says no need, you're already a developer, okay? But for you, when you click for the first time on that device name, it'll say now you are a developer, okay? When you do that, you want to click back. Once you finish doing that, click back and click back 4 times to go to the main menu of your Fire Stick device, okay? And once you're at the main menu of your Fire Stick device, what you want to do, you want to go to the Find and the Search button here in the Amazon store. You're going to click inside and you want to search for an application called Downloader. You can do this by the Alexa button here, blue button, or you can just type it in. Downloader. I use the Alexa. You'll see an orange white icon like that. You want to click on that icon and you want to follow it by pressing download. Okay. When you do that, it's going to start downloading, but we're not going to open it up yet. We're just going to let it install and download. And once it's finished, we're going to press the home button. There's a couple of things that we need to take care of before we open up the downloader application. Okay. So let's press home. Once it does that, okay, you'll see that it's here, but we're not going to open it up. We're just going to go to settings. And from settings, we're going to go to My Fire TV or My Device. And we're going to go into developer options that we enabled in the first part of the video and click on it. And we're going to say Install Unknown Apps. We're going to click on that. And we're going to make sure that we turn the downloader switch to the on position by hitting the middle of the D-pad, just like that. Once we're done, we're going to hit once back, twice back, 3 times back, 4 times back to go to the main Fire Stick menu. Now, the next step we're going to do here is we're going to go back to the search in Amazon store, find, search, and I'll explain everything in detail. Now, we're going to search for IPVanish. This is the second application that we're going to need. Okay, just like that, we're not going to use the Alexa. We're going to search for it. It just tends to pick it up better when you type it in. So let's type in IPVanish. Okay, just like that. IPVanish. Once you do that, click on the search. It's going to find IPVanish. Black, white, green logo that's going to look like that. You're going to click on that. Okay, and it's going to come up with IPVanish. You're going to click download. Now, 94,000 reviews. Now, when it's finished installing, we're going to open it up. So what IPVanish is going to do, it's going to give you full access to the unlinked application. In these 3 applications I'm going to show you that are truly incredible, it's going to give you access to the blocked live TV links, live sports links, pay-per-view events, movies and TV shows. It's going to unlock all that content. It's going to make it playable because internet service providers are blocking the links. So if you click in these apps on the links, this content will not work, but running a VPN is going to unlock that content that's been being blocked by internet service providers. And it's not only going to give you access to my unlinked store to get more applications because they've been blocking access to the unlinked store as well, the unlinked app. So open the app once you download it and log in with your own username and password to unlock all that content and to get access. So how do you get your own username and password? Well, you can scan this barcode here with your Android phone or iPhone, or you can go to this link here. You can type it in on your computer or whatever, or in your phone, or you can click the link in the description as well. It's all the same link. It's going to take you to one landing page. And just for full transparency, there's a cost associated with this, but it's less than $5 a month. It's less than a cup of coffee at Starbucks per month. That's how much it costs you. Keeps you anonymous, keeps you protected. Your internet service provider doesn't know that you're watching and clicking these links and getting all that content. So keeps you anonymous and unlocks a ton of content on your Fire Stick device. It unlocks all these apps and it gives you just way more links for sports, pay-per-views, and the links actually work when you have your VPN. So I'll show you how to set this up for unlinked and all the content. Simply just go to this landing page by scanning this barcode here or go into these links. Now, I partner with IPVanish to give you guys a 70% off, okay? So when you're on that landing page, sign up with your email address, a valid email address, set up your password. They're going to email you to your email address. You're going to confirm your email address and confirm your account, and you'll be ready to sign in with your own email and password. If you need to take care of that, you can pause the video, go to these links, take care of that, pause the video, and come back, follow along, and I'll show you how to set this up exactly for the unlinked application, okay? I'm going to log into my own account, but you would log in your own account once you get it, and then I'll show you the next step, how to get all that content going, okay? Let me log in, and then we'll proceed setting this up for all the content and these 3 best apps, okay? Okay, once you log in with your account, you'll see a screen like that. You want to hit the gear icon, and from here, you want to say connect on Android Startup. You want to flick it on. Once you do that, press back, go to the location button, click on that location button, go to countries, and you want to scroll to the United States. It's going to unlock the most content, this server in the United States. So you're going to highlight the American flag, United States. You're going to click on that, and you're going to say favorite United States. It's going to put a yellow star. Click on it again and say connect to United States. It's going to pop up with this. You want to press the OK button, and it's going to flicker the screen, and now we can proceed to the next step. So to get your own account, like I said, barcode, and that's going to give you 70% off. It's less than a latte at Starbucks. Unlimited devices. You can have 7 Fire Sticks connected, and you can use one account. iPhones, Android, PCs, works all across every single device, okay? Okay, once you do that, press the home button, and now we're going to open up the downloader application here. We're going to click on the downloader application. Once it opens up, we're going to press the OK button, click one up, yellow field, highlight it, and we're just going to put in unlinked. Just exactly like you see it, unlinked dot link. Just put that in, unlinked dot link. And once you do that, you're just going to press the go button, unlinked dot link, put it in like that, press the go button. Once you press the go button, it's going to start going to the unlinked side. You can see it, I can scroll left and right, and I can scroll up and down. I'm going to scroll to download APK Android. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to pop up. You can see I'm moving this around, and it's going to download the unlinked application super fast. And we're going to press the install button here, but make sure you press the done button. Don't press the open button. Scroll to the done and press the done. Okay, press the delete and press the delete. There's one last thing I have to do. So I'm going to press the home button. Okay, and I'm going to go now to the gear icon. I'm going to go to My Fire TV, My Device. I'm going to click in there. I'm going to go to Developer Options and Install Unknown Apps. I'm going to click inside, and I'm going to turn the unlinked to the on position just like that. Okay. Once you do that, you can click back, and you can click back, and you can click back, and back one more time, and you'll see unlinked is installed, and we're ready to go with our VPN connected. We're going to open up the unlinked application. And it's going to look like this. We're going to click on New Library here, highlight it. Now, what are we going to do? It's going to keep blinking here. We're going to click on that. And we're going to put in the following code. Fire Stick, lowercase. Okay? So let's do that. Let's put in the code. Fire Stick, all lowercase. Okay? Just like that. Fire Stick, lowercase, just like that. Once we do that, press the next button. It's going to take you right into my store, which has over 60 applications. Now, this is blurred out on my screen, but when you're doing this at home, take a picture of the screen. This is going to show you the top applications for movies and TV shows, top 10, and top 7 for live television. You can take a picture of this, and you can get more applications if you're not satisfied with the 3. The 3 are going to be great, but if you want more stuff, check this out. Take a picture of it. It's blurred out on this screen, but when you're doing this at home on your Fire Stick, you'll see this screen, okay? Now, you might see an enter button. If then press it. If you don't see an enter button, that's fine. Click the back arrow. It's going to take you out of the unlinked application and go right back into it. Now, when you go back into it, you'll see this category here, New Tech Apps. You want to click on New Tech Apps. Okay, now you want to scroll down to the category. So we're going to scroll down here. Movie and TV show apps, I'm going to show you the best applications. So the 3 applications that I truly love and I think are just incredible. The first one is FlixVision. So we're going to download FlixVision by clicking on it, highlighting it, and pressing the download. Remember, you can click up and down, left to right to go to live TV sections and more applications, okay? Always in my unlinked store. So FlixVision is my #1 application. This one offers free movies, TV shows, live TV sections. It's incredible. There's just so much content in FlixVision. It's a complete media center like Kodi or Netflix, except it has live television sections, sports section. Just going to give you so much content. It's just updated. This is the newest version in my store all the time. You're going to click on FlixVision. It's going to ask you to install app. You're going to press install app, and it's going to come up with the screen. You're just going to press install, and that's going to flicker the screen, and FlixVision would be installed now, okay? That's how easy it is to do it. So our second application, my favorite out of all these applications, is the Ocean Stream application. Press the download, and Ocean Streams is going to give you live TV as well, anime, adult content, movies, TV shows, high definition, all that, tons of content. I think way better than Kodi, way better than Netflix, just so much content there. All latest releases, movies, and all that stuff on the Ocean Streams application. That's my second favorite. You press the install button and Ocean Streams is installed, just like that. So our third application, which I think is awesome, is the OnStream application. That's my third favorite application. So FlixVision, Ocean Streams, and OnStream. Okay, so these are my 3 favorite applications. Feel free to explore the other applications. Feel free to see which ones are good, but these 3 are going to get you covered right across the board. Okay, OnStream, and install that application. Screen's going to flicker, and ready to go. It's done. Okay, press the home button, and once you install those, all you have to do is hit the home button, go back here, and these applications should all pop up here. Okay, now if you click on My Apps and Games, 3 squares plus button, you'll see that they're all here. OnStream, Ocean Streams, and the FlixVision application, okay? Now, unlinked as well. You can go back to the unlinked at any time to get more applications, okay? Always there. So I'll show you, I'll start up IPVanish. I'll show you I was connected through the entire process for 5 minutes. So I'm always connected. This will always be connected every time you off your Fire Stick, turn it on. I showed you the setup. You're going to be able to get more links in these applications for live TV, movies, TV shows. If you haven't done it in the first part, please scan the barcode here or go to this bit link here, also in the pinned comment description. You're going to be fully anonymous. You're going to get so much more content and block sports, block pay-per-views, block movies. You're going to get all that content. You're going to be completely anonymous, and you can use this on unlimited devices, and it's a less than $5 a month. It's like a Starbucks cup of coffee at Starbucks, a latte at Starbucks. That's how much it is per month. It's less than $5. It's a few dollars a month. Going to keep you covered, keep you protected, keep you anonymous when using these apps, and unlock so much content. You're going to be able to enjoy this. It's way better than Netflix. It's way better than Kodi. You know, you're going to love it, okay? So that's pretty much it, how I loaded my 3 favorite applications that I showed you. These apps are incredible, and you're going to love them. So anytime, you know, you want to get more applications, just go back and unlinked and you can get all that. Okay, so before I go here, I just want to say that people have been knocking off my applications and content, putting in their video and using my store and showing people apps, and they haven't been giving me credit. So I'm thinking of putting a 4-digit PIN code on my unlinked store. So when you enter my store, you might have to put a 4-digit PIN lock. I haven't PIN locked it yet, but if I do in the future, the people are going to get the PIN lock is the people that comment below this video. So underneath this video, I'm gonna reply to each person with their PIN lock if I do end up PIN locking the store. I haven't done it yet, but if I do, the people that comment below this video will get access. So just comment with anything. Just say hi. Just say where you're from, what city and town, what's your favorite sports team, what's your favorite food, whatever you want to say. Just say sky is blue. Whatever comment you want to say. Just want to get to know my subscribers and viewers. Highly would appreciate it. I don't ask for donations. I don't ask for money. I'm only asking for your comment. That would be amazing. Okay, so just comment below. That would be amazing. Hit like and share the video if you'd like. But liking the video and commenting is very important. It helps me out tremendously. and it continues updating my story and giving me the confidence to keep going when I see those comments. So thank you so much, guys. Also, this is now done and it's fully loaded. Let me know what you think of these 3 applications. Let me know if they're not working or if you have any issues. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here with me. Appreciate all of you guys, and have a wonderful, beautiful day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.